Good morning everybody. Today in part 8 of matrices, we will discuss some questions related to symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix. Let's start with question number 1. Show that all diagonal elements of a skew-symmetric matrix are 0. Now, we know very well, for skew-symmetric matrix, A dash is equals to minus A. It implies that Aij is equals to, what is this thing? Minus Aj. Now, for diagonal elements, what is the condition for diagonal elements? For diagonal elements, we know very well, I is always equals to j. Therefore, aii is equals to minus aii. It implies that 2aii is equals to 0. It implies that aii is equals to 0. Hence, diagonal elements of a skew-symmetric matrix are 0. Now, question number 2. If A and B are symmetric matrix, then show that AB plus BA is a symmetric matrix. Now, A and B are symmetric matrix. It means A dash is equals to A and B dash is equals to B. Now, we have to prove that, consider this is a one matrix. We have to prove that this is a symmetric matrix. It means first we will do the transpose of this thing. Now, according to the properties of transpose, what will come? AB dash plus BA dash. Now AB, this is the product rule here. It means B dash A dash plus A dash B dash. Now B dash is equals to B, A dash is equals to A. From this part, this is also A, this is also a B. It means this become AB plus BA. Now the transpose is equals to original matrix. That's why this is a symmetric matrix. Now question number 3. In question number 3, if the matrix A is a skew-symmetric matrix, find values of A and B. Now because this is a skew-symmetric matrix, it means A dash is equals to minus A. First do the transpose of this thing. 0, A minus 3. What is this? 2, 0, minus 1, B, 1, 0. Negative of A. It means what this become? 0, minus 2, minus B, minus A, 0, minus 1, 3, 1, 0. On equating, once you will do the equating of matrices, what will come? Minus A is equals to 2. It implies that A is equals to minus 2 and B is equals to 3. This is the answer. Now question number 4. In question number 4, we have to show that for any square matrix A, what is the meaning of a square matrix? 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. We have to show that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew-symmetric matrix. Now, A plus A dash. First do the transpose of this. If transpose of A plus A dash is equals to A plus A dash, it means symmetric matrix. Now according to the addition rule, A dash plus A dash dash. A dash plus A dash dash means A. It means this is equals to A plus A dash. Hence, A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. What is this? Symmetric matrix. Now, for A minus A dash, do the transpose of this thing. A minus A dash transpose of this. According to the properties of subtraction, what will come? A dash minus A dash dash. This is A dash. This become A. Take minus common. What will come? A minus A dash. Therefore, A minus A dash is skew-symmetric matrix. Skew-symmetric matrix. So this is very important property, that if A is any square matrix, then A plus A dash will always represent symmetric and A minus A dash is skew-symmetric matrix. On the basis of this thing, fifth question is very important. What is this question number 5th? Express the matrix A as the sum of symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix. I am doing for 2 by 2. This question is coming for 3 by 3 matrix. Now, how we have to solve this question? We have matrix A. Now, look at this thing. We can write down in this way: A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash. if we will do the calculation, result will A only. That's why first we will take A is equals to P plus Q. This is the equation number 1. As we know that A plus A dash is always symmetric matrix, so whatever portion of this thing is equals to P, it will represent the symmetric matrix, and portion Q will represent the skew symmetric matrix, and this will be the sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. So first we will do the calculation for P, but we have to find out half A plus A dash. What is A here? Half A plus A dash. We will take half afterward. First we will solve A plus A dash. A plus A dash means, what is A? 3, 1, 5, minus 1, plus A dash transpose of this, 1, minus 1. Do the addition of this, 6, 6, 6, minus 2. Now P is equals to half of A plus A dash. It means what will come? 3, 3, 3, minus 1. Correct? Now first we will calculate A minus A dash. It means 3, 5, 1, minus 1, minus 3, 1, 5, minus 1. It means 0, 5 minus 1, 4, 1 minus 5, minus 4, minus 1 plus 1, 0. Now Q is equals to half of A minus A dash. It means what will come? 0, 2, minus 2, 0. Okay, so A is equals to the sum of P plus Q. It means symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix. Now you have to solve this question and give the answer in comment box. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like it. Thank you.